In this video we learn about what is carburetor and how it works. A carburetor is a device used in internal combustion engines, typically found in older vehicles, motorcycles, and small engines, to mix air and fuel in the correct ratio for combustion. It is essential for proper engine operation as it ensures that the engine receives the right amount of fuel and air for efficient combustion. Now let's see the main functions of a carburetor. Air-fuel mixing. The carburetor draws in air from the atmosphere and combines it with fuel, usually from a fuel tank, to create a combustible mixture. Metering the fuel. It regulates how much fuel is mixed with air, depending on the engine speed and load. This is accomplished through a series of jets, needles, and valves that control fuel flow. Atomization. The carburetor atomizes the fuel, breaks it up into tiny droplets, to help it burn more efficiently in the engine's combustion chamber. Basic components of a carburetor. Throttle valve controls the amount of air and fuel entering the engine, and hence, controls engine speed. Fuel jets, small orifices that allow a specific amount of fuel to flow into the airstream. Venturi, a narrowing in the carburetor body that increases airspeed, lowering air pressure and drawing fuel into the airflow. Choke, used to restrict airflow during cold starts, enriching the air-fuel mixture to help the engine start more easily. Float and needle valve regulates the fuel level in the carburetor bowl, ensuring a constant supply of fuel. Although carburetors were once the standard for fuel delivery in vehicles, they have largely been replaced by fuel injection systems in modern cars. Fuel injection systems are more efficient, offer better control over the air-fuel mixture, and provide more consistent performance, leading to their widespread adoption in newer vehicles. However, carburetors are still used in some small engines, motorcycles, and classic cars. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you all.